We are pleased to announce the district finalists for the 2020 Henrico Teacher of the Year. In the Brooklyn District, Lindsay Pantley from Glen Allen High School. Representing the Fairfield District, Melinda Pastuszak from Chamberlain Elementary. From Twin Hickory Elementary School in the Three Chop District, Candace Wilcox. In the Tuckahoe District, Tedra Buckler from Quioccasin Middle School. And representing the Varina District, Jamie Roberts from John Rolfe Middle School. Congratulations to these outstanding teachers.